Hey everyone, how's it going? Well, it is the weekend of January 17th, I think today may be. Martin Luther King weekend, 3-day weekend. So we are going to head to Myrtle Beach for the weekend. We turned the fridge on last night and ran down the battery some, so hoping to maybe get a little charge here so I can get the fridge going. But good thing is, after weeks of 70 and close to 80 degree weather, I guess you could say good news, maybe not. It's cold. It's 37 right now and windy. Let's see if you can hear that diesel running. Hopefully I'm getting some sort of charge on this thing. I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, Dawn's going to be home in a few hours. We're hooked up, ready to go, all loaded up. So as soon as she pulls into the driveway, we're hopping in the truck and heading to Myrtle Beach. So come on with us. All right, here we are, Saturday morning. We made it last night about 8 o'clock. We had to get in the dark, which was kind of rough because this place is huge. Ocean Lakes is the biggest campground on the East Coast and one of the biggest in the country. So all in all, there's 3,500 individual places, I guess you could say. There's almost 900 campsites, and then the rest are like seasonal or leases. Anything from campers to homes, actually. We'll take a look around later and show you. I don't know that I've showed you in early videos. But there we are back there. Last spot right before you get to the ocean. So it's a nice, beautiful view. I'll show you right here, a nice view we had this morning of the sunrise. Sorry about the goofy hat, but it's chilly. It's probably about 50 degrees, but very windy. I was turning around because Maddie was right there. I don't know where she went. She must have gone back in the camper. Let's go take a look at the ocean here. There we go, the Atlantic Ocean. There she is, little Maddie. So like I've said before, Ocean Lakes is just huge. It's almost a mile wide of ocean front. But anyways, let me just show you. I know in some of the other videos, I think I showed you like the pool and stuff like that, but here's one thing I didn't show you. Let me show you this. So right here's the ocean here. And during the summer, this snack shack is open here. And then they got some nice gazebos up in the air here that you can sit at, eat, and look at the ocean. Sorry, it's not a great view, but it's best I can do. But then underneath it here, you can see it's locked right now, is a little skate park. Here, it's hard to get in between these boards to get a video, but look, it's a skate park for kids that use skateboards. I guess you could do skateboards or rollerblades or whatever. It's a neat skate park. All right, well, it's lunchtime. Pretty windy outside, so we decided just to go ahead and cook inside. Let me show you what we're making here for lunch. Oh, say hi to Maddie. What is she doing back there? She was on her VR for a little while. All right, let's take a look at lunch. Got the fireplace going. Rather than having the heat go, use the fireplace, and that will certainly heat up this whole area. There's Dawn putting in some garlic bread. If Maddie had her room open, it would, some of the heat would go in there too. But here we go. We got, this is sausage and peppers and onions. Oh, that's just peppers and onions. Sausage is sitting somewhere else waiting to go in. Here's the sausage. Come here and take a look in the oven. Got some garlic bread going. We'll keep an eye on it because we kind of had to jam it into that pan there. Might as well look in the fridge here.
Open it up, look what your husband drew, okay? Sicko!
Grab myself a People's Porter.
He always draws.
Unfortunately, in order to get this spot here right on the end close to the ocean, you got to book really early. So we were able to get it here in the off season. Here's how tight it is in these oceanfront spots. See where I got to put the truck there. But we got nice access to the beach. Of course, it's off season, so it's not like we can go out there and enjoy the water. You can see here how close the sites are. I'm at a slight angle because we got here late at night, so it's a little difficult getting in, but you can see how close we are. But being the end site, at least you got a little more grass. It's not bad. And this is, I don't know the name of this, Oceanfront Boulevard, who knows. But this is where they do all the cruising back and forth with the golf carts, with their big fancy golf carts like that one over there. And we got some friends. Maddie's walking handstand.
Keep going.
And she can't do it by herself, so she has to have mom help.
Yes, I can.
Okay, ready?
What?
Down.
Ah! What?
Here's something else I don't think I showed you in the other Ocean Lakes video, is the arcade. I guess what they're calling the activity center. And then you got Sandy Harbor Cafe here. It's a pretty darn big arcade. Let's check out the heated pool back there. People are in it, so must not be too cold. Dawn said she felt the indoor pool and said it feels like it's definitely heated. Unlike some of the places we've gone to where they got an indoor pool and it's not heated, so still has a little chill to it, but so we'll probably get in later today or tomorrow. Look at this fancy 6-passenger Dallas Cowboy golf cart. I bet that bad boy is approaching $10,000. Look at these two crazies.
Now, all three of us come in. No,
Look at Dawn, looks like she's laying down in that thing.
Me. Ow.
Does anyone remember in Shrek when he's going through the line at the ride or at the park, and of course Shrek just knocks over all the stanchions? We just came up over here. Our bikes are right there. You had to come up and go zigzag, 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 all the way up here to get maybe 15 feet above the ground. It's like a 10-minute walk. There's the chairs we were just sitting on. The wind has died down drastically, so that's nice. The sun's kind of peeking through. It's maybe in the 50s now, so it's really not that bad. There's Maddie and Dawn. You see the big water slides over there in the distance. You got the tube on the left there, and then on the right you have like the fast one where you can race. 4 people can race if they want to. And then there's the arcade we were just in right there. Beautiful Airstream. And we are way down that way. So the family you just saw, the husband chose to throw his empty Bud Light can down here instead of taking it to the trash, which I'm sure is a... Oh, look, there's the trash can. And there's where he chose to throw his Bud Light can. So there's the huge campground. We are right in that corner spot there. So basically all that orange is for campers. And then the yellows and the blues, most of those, some of them are daily rentals, but most of those are long-term, some of the houses and things like that. Just been riding around trying to get a little exercise. It's gotten much nicer out, winds died down. We took a ride here to see a site we just booked for Labor Day weekend. It'll be kind of nice actually, because you got all these trees here close to these homes. Decent number of trees, and the sun is going to come up, of course, over the ocean here on the East Coast. So we got all these trees here, so we'll probably have shade for most of the day. And by the time the sun catches the end of the trees, it'll hit our awning here. So it should be pretty good. And again, you can just see, I mean, there's 2 more sections down that way. And then we're back right now, way in that corner back there. Actually, very close to that high-rise hotel there. But I think it'd be nice here to be a little quieter. We won't have to worry about the parade of golf carts that go by every evening. Decided to head to the arcade. What are you playing, Dawn? Miss Pac-Man. Maddie's trying to find something to play. What are you going to play, Maddie?
I want to do the big meal, but that's 4.
All right, Maddie's decided she's going for tickets. She didn't want to waste 4 credits on this game. I tried to explain it's just a game of chance. You get what you get. See, like 4 tickets. There she is, going strong with Miss Pac-Man. Go ahead. There they go, doing a little fishing. So we're all done now. Maddie's going to redeem her points back there. And maybe we'll just head back to the camper and relax for the rest of the evening. Well, good morning. It is Sunday morning. We're here till tomorrow, so we get to enjoy 2 full days. It's about 7:30 in the morning. The sun's come up, but as you can see, it's cloudy, so it wasn't a great sunrise today. So yesterday it was pretty breezy most of the day. It did calm down some, but you know, when you're at the beach, it's always windy. Anyways, it was in the high 50s during the day yesterday, but as the evening came, it kept creeping up a degree here and there. And by 10 o'clock last night, it was like 63 degrees, and it's 63 right now. So it's one of those odd times when overnight it was actually warmer than it was during the day yesterday. And it's supposed to be a high of 66 or 67 today. And it's actually supposed to be raining right now. You can see here, it's not. Cutting onions in an RV isn't always the best thing to do. God, it brings tears to your eyes. Both Maddie and I are crying up a storm. We put the Max Air fan on, but gosh, and I finally just covered them with plastic. I don't know if Dawn's crying or not. But it's Sunday morning. We're leaving tomorrow. Well, it's late morning. It's almost noon. So we're cooking lunch, and man, those onions, strong. All right, lunch is going to be another HelloFresh meal. Looks pretty good. It's chickpeas and couscous. It's like a Mediterranean dish. So let's take a bite.
There are things that I know my sons didn't know beforehand. I'm like, oh my gosh, that's a high-level concept. And Adventure Academy makes
Roasted chickpeas,
Adventure Academy has science,
roasted
math,
vegetables,
social
feta
studies,
cheese,
English lessons, and
a lot of
it melds
paprika.
topics together. They are fun and interesting. That's when we really learn. You don't
Good.
just learn the answer to.
Hello, Madison. What are you having for lunch? She's got a Red Baron pizza in the oven. So since we were doing the HelloFresh meal in the oven, we used the microwave here / convection oven to cook Maddie's pizza. And we ended up cooking Maddie instead. No, just joking.
Stop filming.
There it is. Not done yet. Give it a little while longer to go. Where are we heading, Maddie? It's midday. I think it's done raining for the day. We're gonna head to the indoor pool. Nice, beautiful skyline there as the sun is starting to set. Finally, some blue skies. Beautiful Myrtle Beach sunset. Maddie's trying to chase the geese away from the campsite. Getting a little too tired, so we just kind of hung out at the camper all weekend. Nothing fun this weekend, just hanging out, relaxing. Did a little swimming, a lot of bike riding and walking on the beach. But hey, sometimes you need that, you know? I keep thinking I get the prettiest shot and then it gets prettier. So I figure I'd get another quick shot in here. Here it is again, one more time. Just keeps getting prettier and prettier. There's little Maddie. Well, it's Monday morning, about 7 o'clock. Time to get going. I don't know if you can see any breath there. It is 34 degrees with a high of 43 today. Considering it was in the 60s all weekend, even though it was windy, this is going to be a reality check for winter here. And back home, it's supposed to be down in the 20s for the next 4 nights, I think. Here's the sunrise. But we're going to get packed up. I'm going to start the outside process. Dawn's in there doing the inside process. Oh, and by the way, we have a new channel. We'll put the link down there. It is furniture restoration. I'm sure I've mentioned before, that's what I do for a living. I have a furniture restoration business. And we've decided to start doing some videos of that. So if you want to see it, is John Francis Restorations. The link will be below. Click on it, take a look, see what you like, see what you don't like, and subscribe if you want. So we're a little frugal. I'm not going to use the word cheap anymore. I'm going to say frugal. So instead of paying for a, I think they went $6 or $7 for a sticker, we got this. It's one of those little temporary tattoos. So that's what we put on instead. We'll see how long it lasts. Probably won't last a month, but that's all right. It was free. We would, though, love you to subscribe to our channel here. Give us a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell. You'll get notification of each time we upload a video. Share with your friends. Comment. We love reading the comments. Happy MLK Day to everyone. And we will pick you guys back up in about 3 weeks. We're heading out to Lakewood, back down here in Myrtle Beach, I think. Anyways, as always, thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.